Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. As we said, this is the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Today we're going to be unboxing it and just taking all the parts out, and in another video we're going to show you all the fun and cool stuff this kid has to do. So I got this for my birthday. It's a pretty cool present. Oh, whoops. And yeah, Elegoo Centauri Carbon. It's 3D printer, obviously, if you didn't know that. It's a very good price for it. One of the best 3D printers for this price range. Got the glass door right here. Looks all nice.
Put that perfect on that little padded spot. What else we got there?
Take this off for the side over there. I think we've got the main case here. And we just...
Gonna have fun with this. We think this might either be the smartest or the worst way to do this. Are you ready? You keep your hands under it.
Alright.
Yep. This thing is massive.
Very heavy.
We got nothing but foam in the box.
I think so.
Alright. Now I'll take over. You guys go over there. And let's open this bag up. And show us what you got in there.
So,
Do you want to cut that up a little bit?
Tape, I think. Yeah, this might be some tape.
The Centauri Carbon. It says this is ready to go, right?
Yep, ready to go out of the box.
So shipping was good. It arrived not broken.
Right, pretty fast. Hopefully not broken.
Straight from China.
Looks, I mean, yeah. Looks
All right, put the bag down. Careful over here.
well,
Did you buy a 3D printer or an ATM machine? Holy moly! What is this thing?
so this is the front, I think.
Yep.
And yeah, that's the door. But
Yep.
here.
So you were like this. This is tape.
Oh yeah.
And a piece right there.
Oh man, that's all over. Oh yeah, okay.
I think you got more. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, there's
So this opens up here.
Okay,
and
what
this
else
is
have
where
we
all
got
the
in
parts
there?
are, so I guess yeah, good use of.
good use of space. Oh, that comes up. Yeah, remove. Oh, okay.
You know, just take
That's pretty smart. Okay.
this off here.
Yeah, you wanna
This
help
is
us
all
out?
the extra stuff here. Take this out too. Oh,
So-
there's some-
Yeah, there's a. Oh, that's just a box.
I
Okay.
think it's just cardboard.
Look at that. This is really smart protective packaging.
We got another
This is
list
precious
here.
cargo. So. Okay.
So it looks. This is the inside here.
Let's
got the
take a look at
base
that for the
plate.
camera.
If you look in closely, there's the camera right there. We've done a little heavy research on.
Oh,
this.
it's on that corner. Not on
Right
this
here,
corner.
Right here, this corner.
That's where the camera is.
Yep.
Oh yeah,
there's the camera.
nice. Okay.
And that's
Oh,
the
and-
nozzle, obviously,
okay.
but you know, I won't touch
We'll have
that
to
right
get
now.
a cutter for that. Okay. What do we have in here?
This should be like the. Yep, this is the extra part. I mean, not the extra parts, but here's the screen, which will plug
Oh.
in right here, so you know you can control it from here.
Cool.
Looks like we got the
Power cord.
power cord. We got this, which I know goes over here.
Oh, that's to put the.
This
That's
is
a
to hold the
spool.
spool. So you want so you put the thing on here, and then it goes through here, and you feed it all the
Oh.
way through this, into here, into the side of here, right through here, and
Sweet.
there,
Okay. What else have we got there?
we've got.
Oh, that's a little bit of a sample, right? They give you a sample.
Oh yeah, so
Fill
look,
'em in.
rapid PLA. We've got glues, some glue sticks, screwdrivers, some other little things. You know,
Okay. Pretty cool.
this thing.
Let's see. So you attach that.
Yeah, you can actually attach this right here. There's a
Okay.
cable.
And then that goes there.
Yep, and the glass piece from before that was on top goes.
Oh, that goes up there. Okay.
Right
And
here.
then what was one of the fun things about this that you said? You basically have to print something.
Oh yeah.
To
So all
put-
3D printers have like the little excess filament that comes out of here. So it'll come out of here, and the first thing they make you print, which is basically to see like
What's the funny name that they gave this? You remember it, Ian? thing?
It was like
don't think so.
3D printer poop or something. I don't know.
The
something.
poop chute.
Yeah, that's it. And
That's
then
what they call it,
They make
the
you print a
poop
nice
sheet.
little thing that's like basically a 3D model of this whole thing, but it's built to hold that stuff. So that's pretty cool. Very cool. Pretty sturdy to look. I mean, obviously, you know, it's
The
made out-
Centauri carbon. So is it made out of carbon or does it print carbon? Why is it called that?
I think it prints like carbon, but a lot of other ones do too. But this is like it's able to do that. Made out of some strong metal, some glass, you know.
So you're gonna print us some pretty cool stuff, huh? Okay. This is the Design Award winner 2025.
Took that piece out.
The glass piece goes on top.
Does. Okay, we got a better tool.
You got the
That one's
proper
not
tool
too
now?
Smart, so this is very, you know, delicate.
That's the
over here.
delicate piece right there.
So we'll do this, and looks like it comes out like that, and then maybe,
I think it goes down.
or I can just do this actually, much easier.
All right, let me see that thing. So that's already attached, or do you have to attach the?
Looks like it. Maybe we might need
It
to attach
is.
something underneath, but yeah.
Thanks for watching this unboxing video.
And stay tuned because we're going to be printing some pretty cool stuff out of this and showing you a little more in depth than what it can actually do. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.